Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you saw all the action today. Today's return feels pretty good. It's amazing that we have this platform. I have a feeling in a year from now, we're going to be looking back at these videos, wondering why we didn't buy every single share we could at these prices. Tesla closed at $6.95. Take a look at my video where I actually talked about Tesla reaching 700 this week. And literally, guys, if you would have bought into Tesla in the beginning of the week and Gbtc, like I mentioned on Wednesday, you would have been up over 10% with Tesla and 25% with Gbtc. That sounds real good to me. Not a bad week at all. A friend of mine opened up their Robinhood account and had $10 in it. I helped them buy a fractional share of Tesla with that $10. This friend's parents thinks that you need a ton of money to start trading. So that's the myth. You can start anywhere at any time. And if we talk about the amazing year Tesla has had, the key is to start at some point. But you control that. So if you want to get started, if you sign up today, you will get 4 free stocks from Webull. Again, if you sign up today, you will get 4 free stocks from Webull. Those stocks can range from a couple of dollars all the way up to $1,600. You can get lucky with a stock like Tesla or even Google. But the key is to sign up with my referral link, and when you sign up, you will have to make an initial $100 deposit, but once you make that deposit and you receive your free stock, you could take that $100 out. Not bad. Sign up today. Hey, I'm Angelo. All right. And that was Coda. And let's get started and take a look at the stock. All right, guys, let's take a look now. All right, $6.95. Doesn't that feel good? We did have a little bit of a dip in the after hours. In fact, let's switch gears. This has a better view of the action. And this is what I really wanted to share with you guys because when the market opened, we did see the stock price go up a bit, and it dropped, and it was just bouncing all day long. Again, if you have the conviction in the company, if you believe in their product, and if you believe in their future, stay true to your laurels. But the stock did dip a significant amount, and boom, started skyrocketing like we anticipated with all the buying because of S&P Inclusion. But ending the day on a almost 6% gain is really good. I was encouraging you guys earlier in the week on Monday to take advantage of those prices because I don't think we'll see that cheap again. And that's why I like this platform, because you'll be able to see real-time trading happening with real companies, and you can make real-time decisions as well. And if you also remember from my last video, I talked about the volume with Tesla. Well, today it was 4 and 5 times that volume. That's why we saw the price action that we did. So going into Monday, Tesla is going to be very, very interesting. Now, I also started to talk about Bitcoin and the opportunities there and trading Gbtc. So let's take a look at that stock as well. Gbtc actually started the day a little choppy and in the red. But we saw a nice turnaround towards lunchtime, and it continued on that ride. So in the last 2 days alone, you could have made 25% off of Gbtc if you would have bought in on Wednesday like I mentioned. I firmly believe that this is still just the beginning. Cathie Woods is the founder of ARK Invest, a fund that only invests in highly innovative companies for the future. ARK Invest was one of the first investors in Tesla, as well as Bitcoin. Cathie has become a major GOAT in the tech industry. In one of her quotes, Cathie quoted, "Take advantage of these exponential growth opportunities." And I think she's right. Check her out if you want to learn more. It's been a fun first week, guys. 10% off of Tesla, not bad. I expect for this run to continue well into next week. Thank you guys for watching, and if you like the content, please subscribe. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I look forward to sharing more next week. I'm Angelo, this is Coda, and we'll see you soon.